So, welcome back to another knowledge sharing at Ask Adelana NJ. I am Adelana Fowler, as you all know. Today, we're going to be explaining to you what a real estate attorney review is and why it's such an important part of a real estate transaction. A real estate attorney review is the process where a lawyer examines a real estate contract and related documents to make sure that everything is legally sound and protects their client's interests. This review typically takes place after a buyer and a seller have signed a contract, but before the transaction moves forward. So during the attorney review, the attorneys for both the buyer and the seller carefully read through all the agreements. They look for potential legal issues, unclear languages, missing protections, or terms that may not be in their client's best interest in relation to the contract. The attorneys may recommend changes to the contract. These changes are often called amendments or riders. Some common areas of review include inspection contingencies, financing contingencies, closing dates, repair responsibilities, earnest money, items that include or in the sales and all of that. Once proposed changes are made, the attorneys negotiate on behalf of their client, and the buyer and the seller then decide whether to accept, reject, or forward negotiations for other changes. When both parties agree on the final terms, the attorney review process is complete and the contract becomes legally binding under the revised terms, not the one in the first place. So in New Jersey, attorney review is especially important. Most residential real estate transactions include 3 business days attorney review. During this time, either party's attorney can recommend modification or even cancel the contract without the usual penalties that might apply later in the transaction. So beyond the contract itself, a real estate attorney may also review title issues, liens, essential homeowners association documents, inspection reports, financing terms, surveys, and closing documents. The goal is to identify potential problems before they become costly issues after the closing.